When we're looking at actually getting into this type of technology, what's the starting point? What sort of money are we going to have to spend?
Depending what you want to do, there's the more traditional, people like to stick with the lamps and the day scopes, but for £850 you can get yourself into a dedicated night IR scope and a thermal spotter. That's a package that Scott Country offer there. It's called the bronze package. For 850 quid you can get yourself an IR scope and a thermal spotter. Now for that sort of price range, you're not going to see the sort of clarity you do at the more top end of the range of the stuff, but you'll easily identify that there is a fox there, giving you that indication to turn your scope on and identify that as a fox.
What else have we got on offer here?
Around £800 you've got your infrared TD50, and moving up to about £1,000 you've got your Pulsar C50. These are IR scopes, but again can be used in the daytime. They've both got some clever technology in them that you can do like an image merge between sort of dusk and daylight, and that will give you starlight capability, so you can see in low light without the need for IR.